Hey, hello everybody, it's me Cyber and welcome back to another malware video, or can I say a rogue video? Yes, that's right. In today's video we will dive into some strange antiviruses that do not even protect the computer from viruses. For those of you who are not familiar with the term rogue antivirus, it's basically an antivirus that pretends to be a legit anti-malware software. Some of them look terrible, some do not even work, and some can even destroy the system. Keep watching the video because the things you are about to see are things you have never seen in your life. Just a quick interruption. If you found my content interesting and you don't want to miss future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I spent many hours working on these videos. Thank you very much. Guess what, guys? Guess who's back? Guess who's back, guys? It has been 3 months. I was actually working on something else. I kind of, got tired of, making the content on my channel. That's why I just, took a break from making these videos. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I just felt, unmotivated. I was just disappointed, because also YouTube treated me like, I don't know, guys. I don't know how to describe it. I just didn't feel right, But finally, guys, I finally get here to actually make this video, possible. So yeah, guys, so let's actually get into this, without further ado, let's actually pick one of the rogue antivirus from this folder and see what we got. So we got the first antivirus, and it comes with readme file, so let's actually take a look at this readme file. Oh my god, so it's called the Ultra Defender. It overrides master boot record, and the author is not responsible for any damages, so it means that this, piece of rogue was just created for educational and entertainment purposes only. And it's created by my moderator. Can I first launch like this batch script? Or let me actually take a look at this batch script. Oh my god, what a difficult code. This rogue antivirus actually reminds me of making backup, because I'm assuming that this one will actually, do some nasty stuff to this like operating system. Welcome to the Ultra Defender installation. This setup program will install Ultra Defender on your computer. Click cancel. Okay, so I don't really... Oh, warning. This program is protected by international copyright law and treaties. Oh my god. That's pretty serious, guys, We should not really, make fun of this. Yeah, of course, blah blah blah. We don't really care about that. Oh my god, Arabic. Oh, what is this? Yeah, this is... Yeah, I don't really understand. Chinese. Oh my god. So it comes with like multiple languages, and even the German. Zurück weiter. Okay, so guys, let me actually continue with English, because that's the only language that I can understand. Yeah, I'm happy with everything else. So let me actually install it. You must restart the computer to turn off the... Okay, so it messed with our user account control, which is UAC. You know what is UAC protection. So it actually disables the UAC protection, so it can execute itself at a startup with all, admin privileges. So that's the reason why I did that. Alright, so it has been successfully installed. So now we can finish the installer, and it's restarting our computer. This is very common, practice. So it has to apply all changes, Alright, I really wonder like what is gonna happen to my computer. Okay, something is loading. Okay, that's a good sign, I guess. What is happening? What is happening in the task manager? Startup. Alright, so yeah, it's a startup application. Alright, so I don't know what is happening. Like, is it erasing something? Like, nothing is running. Oh no, I can run the task manager. What the fuck? Can I like at least open the notepad? Yeah, I can do it. Oh, this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. Can I use the command prompt, or at least I can do this? Okay, guys, I don't know like what to do with this. Like, nothing is showing up. The task manager has been disabled. Let me actually see what... Oh my god, I cannot even click on the local disk C. Damn it. I cannot even access to my share folder. Like, nothing works. What the fuck? Oh my god, guys, no. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, guys, yeah, we are cooked. We are definitely cooked. Ultra Defender is here. You are seeing this because Ultra Defender trashed your PC. Reinstall Windows now. Guys, I'm so lucky that I made the backup, actually. This is a pure malware. This is not even a rogue antivirus. We are not talking about rogue antivirus. Like, this is a pure malware that absolutely trashed My operating system. Jesus Christ, it's unusable. Oh my god. Alright guys, so it seems like we have to actually, you know, move on and try a different one. And now we got the total PC protector. Okay, so what this is about. Okay, so it comes with setup, the exe, and it looks like this. Very interesting icon, by the way. Okay, yeah, I think this one is from the same creator, and there's only one language. Like, oh, that's kind of unfortunate. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What is this? Windows Defender is currently off. Okay, so I have to restart the computer once again. So this is from the same creator. That's really surprising. Where are all of my items? So, oh my god, it erased my data on my desktop. Wait, what the hell? I didn't open this. I swear to god, I didn't open this window. Wait, what? The best antivirus solution. Alright, so you deleted all of my fucking files and you say that it's the best antivirus solution. Well, actually, those files were actually infected. But do you know what, guys, what is very interesting? I cannot even right click. I cannot right click on my fucking desktop. I cannot do anything. What is this? Hey. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Where's my PC? Where's my PC? This is horrible. Wait, what? Guys, I cannot even drag it on my desktop. Wait, what? Oh my god, look at this window. Look at this window, man. What are these buttons? What they say? A program named cmd.exe is trying to modify the system. Oh, really? cmd.exe? Really? That's not a virus, that's just the default application, you know, that everybody uses. Can I even go to my computer? Can I even go like here? Accessing the resources has been disallowed. What the fuck are you talking about? Can I even do this? Oh my god, so it messed with my... I don't know how he did that, but... Jesus Christ. I cannot do anything, guys. Oh my god, I'm so restricted. This operating system is actually so restricted right now. Oh my god. So we can actually scan, you know, for threats. So let's search for threats, scan it. At least there's this feature. Yeah, bro, I don't really think that these files are real. Like, ain't no way. You made it up, bro. Let's scan it one more time. Look at this. Oh, and now we got totally different files. it's so random. It's just not real. Get full protection. Oh, we have to actually activate it. But unfortunately, I don't have the product key. Oh, I cannot even close it. I cannot even close it, man. I cannot get rid of this. Okay, guys, let me actually... Oh, wait, hold on a second, guys. Did you notice that there is no, you know, power off option? I cannot power off my computer. How he did that? There are currently no power options available. Bro, this is so strange. Like, what? How is this possible? How he did that? I've never seen a malware that can do this. Like, big shout out to my moderator. This is crazy. Alright guys, so here is a SUPERAntiSpyware. Low-key, this looks like Spy Sheriff, not gonna lie. Looks like a very, very goofy Spy Sheriff. If you know what I mean. Alright, it looks goofy, but hey, don't judge the book by its cover. Maybe this antivirus is actually pretty cool, you know? Who knows? So let me actually get into that. So by the way, this user account control looks legit because, you know, it uses this, you know, blue one, which is, I believe it's trusted. Alright, so welcome to the SUPERAntiSpyware free edition installation wizard. Alright, so once again, let's agree with everything. Yeah, of course, because we don't really care. And this is the destination folder. So yeah, we can actually, you know, like adjust the destination folder. That is actually cool. Like finally something looks legit. Well, let's use my real email address. Can I type please in there? Thank you, actually. Okay, guys, so please don't spam me. Okay, this is my like business email account, you know, very real, by the way. I would never lie to you. Okay, a digitally signed driver is required. What? Oh my goodness, look at this UI. What is this? Like, what is this driver? I don't have that, sorry, man. Like, why you didn't install it by yourself? I don't know, man. It looks weird. Oh my goodness, what is happening? A product update is available. Update now. Can I update it, please? Let me do it. Okay, there's a tray icon for this. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here. Hold on a second. So reboot is required. Okay, so let's reboot it. Why not? Let's actually do it. Oh my god, guys, I'm so thirsty. Jesus Christ, I talk too much. Bam. We are back. Oh my god, it changed the icon. Okay, wait. Where's my peanut guy? What? Where's my peanut guy, bro? What the hell is this? Like super anti-malware? What is this X like? What does it mean? Like, is it a Twitter reference? Oh my god, I missed that peanut guy. It was actually funny. Oh, this is boring. Whatever. Okay, so we got a bunch of tools, and let's actually take a look at this tray icon, because it looks interesting. There's a lot of stuff over here. We can check for updates. There's a system tool, do not disturb, disabled. Real-time protection is enabled. Can we disable it just for sake of this video? Are you sure? Yeah, I'm actually, oh, I can do it. So I can do it like this, enable real-time protection. So yeah, this product is actually up to date. Like it's actually, it actually works even in 2026, which is crazy. Oh my goodness, I'm so surprised that it's actually running. Okay guys, so let's scan the computer. Complete scan, quick scan. All right, so I'm more interested in quick scan because the complete scan actually takes much more longer, and I don't really have like 2 hours, you know, for that. I can't afford it. Time is money, you know. So it detected 3 files. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the fake HV. Okay, so where's the, okay, oh my god. Okay, this page can be displayed. No, well, no wonder why. It's a fucking Internet Explorer. So it detected like 2 items. You know, one of them was like the rogue antivirus, which is actually like surprising. And what is this? What is hack tool? Oh my god, I'm actually surprised that this rogue antivirus actually works. I'm not even sure if I can, you know, call this one a rogue, because it actually works, you know. It actually can detect a threat, but it looks so bad. Like, the design is terrible. It's pathetic, you know. Oh my god, I'm so fucking thirsty, guys. I'm so thirsty. Let me get a sip. Just one small sip for Cyber Soldier. Could not connect all network drivers. That's not a problem, I guess. So let me take a look at this folder. And yeah, one antivirus is missing, which is a great news, you know. So yeah, guys, this antivirus actually works, which is really surprising. So yeah, let's move on to another one and see what will happen. Yeah, so guys, here we have it. Here we have a PC Defender, the next rogue antivirus that looks absolutely weird. Like, due to YouTube, you know, community guidelines, I cannot really show the icon. It's just it's just 18 plus, you know. I can't describe it too much because of YouTube. Do you really think that this rogue antivirus will actually be good? Do you really hope? For example, I don't hope at all. Oh my god, it's installing. Oh shit. Oh, what the hell was that? Okay, so, but hey, from all of the sudden we got the totally different icon. Like, this was a debate. I got baited. Let me get rid of this installer immediately. Okay, so what is happening? Oh, we got a tray icon. PC Defender. What is here? Open, scan my computer, update, visit our site. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's... Oh, oops. Unfortunately, this page can be displayed. Wait, what is this? Guys, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? This shit is blowing my mind. What is happening? Danger! You have 4 threads? I don't know what is happening. Like, oh my god, it's searching for threads. And it found already 7. And we got a spider. And the UI, it's absolutely terrible. Yeah, I don't even know, like, what I expected from this. Like, but yeah, that's it. Look at this. When I hover over this, it goes like this. Vista? What is Vista doing in this operating system? Danger. Like... Oh my god, guys, I'm speechless right now, actually. This is the worst design of all fucking time. This is the worst. There ain't no way that this dude actually took this seriously. I seriously hope that this was made just for a joke, or at least it was made by a fucking toddler, because this ain't no way that somebody actually made this. I just don't understand. So apparently my computer is infected, and there's a file called pcr.exe. Let me actually search for that. Can I do it? So according to the PC Defender, this is the threat, right? This is a Trojan dropper win32 killoff.os. I can record my voice. Like, are you for real? Danger, you have 9 threads. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh no, we are infected. What am I supposed to do right now? Oh my god. Okay, so it seems like that this PC Defender cannot run on its own. I have to run it. What a antivirus, right? It doesn't even start on the startup. And it's searching for threads again. No. Yeah, this is just a joke. This is a joke. There ain't no way. Like, what am I doing? Like, let's close it. Like, get the fuck out. Like, just get out, bro. Get out. Alright guys, so what would be a rogue antivirus video without the one and only, you know it's Nava Shield. Yes guys, it's actually Nava Shield. I have never tried in my life. So this is the first time I'm trying this antivirus, so let's actually get into it. Let's get into this antivirus. Let's... Oh my god, scared the hell out of me, man. Okay, so it says that, you know, license expired. What? What the hell was that? Yeah, so this is the Nava Shield, guys. This is a legendary Nava Shield. The worst antivirus imaginable. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. I don't want to see any of that. I don't want to see any of that, please. Don't do it. Don't do this to me. And it's so loud. And it's so loud. Jesus Christ. That is so loud. Oh my god, it's happening. The Nava Shield is infecting my computer. Jesus Christ, that was so fast. I didn't even do anything. I didn't even trigger it. Oh my god. No, 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 no. We are not watching that, bro. Let me just disconnect my internet connection. How to do it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so terrified. Where's the network? There it is. No, 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 please no. No. That's a corn, and I don't like corn. Yeah, I'm gonna disable it. Yeah, I'm gonna disable it. Get the fuck out, man. Oh my god, you are so annoying. Okay, so let's disable it. No, oh my god. Guys, yeah. Fortunately, guys, fortunately, I disabled my internet connection on this device. Because, Jesus, look at this. Look at this. Look at his site. Look at the name. Yeah, that's pretty inappropriate, don't you think? Yeah, yeah. Welcome to the Nava Shield. The best antivirus ever. At least we got some animations, you know, like this weird ass, like, bouncing animation, like it's so... Oh my god, what the hell? What happened? Can I open the task manager? Well, at least I can open the task manager. No, I can't. Look at this. Look what Nava Shield is doing right now. Can I open the registrator? Pretty please. Alright, at least I can do this. Yeah, what a blessing. What a miracle. Can I open the command prompt? No. Oh, okay. So apparently the CMD cannot be run. Yeah, we are definitely cooked like at this point. That ain't no way that we are recovering from this. What will happen after the reboot, guys? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think will happen? So, okay. Are we good? Are we alright? Oh no. Oh no. It sits over here. It is right here. It's lurking, you know. It's just lurking. It's just waiting. It is waiting, you know, for... Okay, so yeah, what you gonna do? Like, I just used Task Manager against you. Like, what else will happen? Like, that's it? That's actually it? Wait, we can actually uninstall it? Ain't no way we can do it. We can actually do it. It wasn't that bad. That was pretty easy, actually. From my understanding, the Nava Shield is just a joke program, right? It's supposed to be, like, entertaining. So yeah, that would be it, guys. I think there's nothing to see, nothing else to see, like everything works as it should. Okay guys, so that would be it from this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and write a comment. Thank you and goodbye.